Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Telegram notifications appearing on your screen. This works for Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone and scroll down and look for apps. Once you found it, click into it. And then you can manually search for Telegram or click the search bar and type in Telegram, click into it, and where it says notifications, I've currently got it blocked. So if you've got it allow, you can change it by toggling that off. Or if you want to adjust your notifications, you can, where it says notification types, you can have it lock screen allowed, or only use badge allowed, or pop-up allowed. Also, with lock screen notifications, you can click on show content or hide content. But for this demonstration, you want to hide content and toggle allow notifications to off. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.